evening, everyone. Change car, change venue, ta.
First 5 pa ito na.
Arita Subong, Sapel DT Grandstand.
Okay.
Kaya hindi available ang aton nga plaza covered court. Sana ba? Sanag di gani. Nami pati gani kay Sanag pasan sa plaza. Ang salog. Awa. Ang ringan lang galing. Good evening. Oh. First 5 na ta. Foul
number 14.
Gani, iging pasilong to ang traka bugas pagid kagbasa ang salog. Ano di gani sanag di? Ang ringan lang, kulang lang sa maintenance.
Dito.
Ah, wala. Ay, kagilan ta, score tahan.
Shot clock 16.
Bam! Rebound for Balay.
Remaining time 9 minutes.
Islan.
Shot clock 15.
Uy.
Shot clock 12.
Wala sa gyapon, isa pa basket.
Number 11 basket, good for 2.
2 points for Balay.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 40 seconds.
Ah, may uso nagsana go.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10.
Bam!
Paloma, 3 points.
Good luck, my team. Hashtag later. After this hashtag, sir.
Metro.
Metro pa.
Shot clock 16. Offensive foul number 18. First personal foul.
Offensive foul. Ball for Copy Mots. Nami, di ko sa nagsala. Gutin natin.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 55 seconds.
Rebound for Copy Mots. Ay, for Balay. Galit.
Score 3-2 in favor of Copimots. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. 9. 8. 7.
Uy! Rebound for Copy Mots. Shout out, Sir Colin.
Reveling.
Sino pa shout out ni?
Remaining time 7
Sabi na yun,
minutes
damari
and
kami sa may
15 seconds.
PLDT. So, kay Wilson Hobiane.
Paloma basket, good for 2.
Ayo. Ayo, just impact. Nami, pa di kami pukuhan pa
Score
ko, Jens.
5-2 in favor of Copimots.
Diba, sir, no? Nami, pa may pukuhan pa ko, Jens.
Foul number 7, Pasete. First
Ringan lang
personal
galing.
foul. First team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 12.
Ball for Copy Mots. Uy! Uy, wala. Out of bounds.
Shot clock 16 seconds. Shot clock 16. Remaining time 6 minutes and 15 seconds.
May food court.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 12.
Yes! Wala. Rebound for
Shot clock
Balari.
14.
Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 2.
Wala ka down sa barangay J.
First
Wala. Kaya
personal
Rico sa
foul,
ballers.
second team fouls. Shot
Basta
clock
Thursday,
14
Friday,
seconds.
Saturday, Sunday, may ballers. Sorry, good guys. Uy! Give pass, ha? Sa kontra. Ay!
Outside.
Nawasi pa.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 30 seconds.
Give pass, ha? Sa kontra. Luka-luluoy, ay. Steal for Copy Mots.
Loma, basket, good for 2. Score 7-2 in favor of Copy Mots.
Yeah, what is there?
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Basket.
Number 18, basket, good for 2. 5 minutes remaining time.
Basket.
Calvo, basket, good for 2.
Was Dam Championship nila sa Barangay G. May ballers ko, pasensya guys.
Inuras na.
Tapon man eh.
Shot clock 14. Time out, Balare. Remaining time 4 minutes and 35 seconds.
Pa-shout out kay Romnel Paglinawan, please. Shout out Ronel Paglinawan. Halin kay Jessie Jean Conde Venegas. May food court na madam. Sinsya, Barangay G. Wala ko. Kay may ballers.
No.
Napatay.
My check.
Oo. Napatay. Shout out kay Dominador Maharokon, Madam ng Coffee Mots. Idol ko na halin sang bata pa ko hasta sobong. Lain gulang-gulang.
Foul number 11. First personal foul, third
From
team
Kids
foul.
Rubica.
Shot clock 15.
Nambala ko dari ko di mo. Uy! Uy! Oh, travel.
Remaining time 4 minutes.
Shout out kay Nervante Torres, Dumdumay, halin kay Johnny Torres. Lain katingog ko ba? Hi guys!
Shot clock 14.
Steal for Balaring. And wala din
Shot
sa...
clock 16.
Ano to? 3 seconds violation.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Score 9-4 in favor of Kobe Mots.
9-4 for Coffee Mots. Whoa!
Lovely.
Amo naman ang opisyon ni Di Araw. Ang wala na yun. Na-ice burn na sa yan. Na-spare na
Shot
si
clock
Kuhan.
14.
Uy!
Shot clock
Ay!
3 minutes remaining time.
Paloma!
Aloma basket, good for 2.
11. May nagbulos na sa imo scorer. Ano yung quarter lang? Ano pa lang? First pa lang? Uy! Uy!
Aloma basket, good for 2.
Nay. Kabay, wala na tayong injury for tonight.
Score
Shout out kay
13-4
Paloma,
in
puro 3
favor
points
of
ang tira,
Kobe
idol.
Mots.
Siya ganun pag wala
Shot
na.
clock 13.
Uy!
Foul number 7, pass 7. seconds, personal foul. Third, team fouls.
Yawan ka mo nakaroon ng tendo. Shout out pagid sa niwangon nga coach ka Coffee Mots madam.
Sino ang luminainit eh?
Hindi, ang ila bala coach wala. Ato. So. Shout out pala matres Porter Idol.
Tractor plaza yung bugas ko rin sabihin mo.
Pasilong nila ko ng bugas. Nami, so nagsana go.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Basket.
Number 38, basket, good for 2.
7, ay 6.
2 minutes remaining time.
6, 11, 13. Out of bounds.
Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds. Score 13-6 in favor of Coffee Mots.
Foul.
Foul number 38. First personal foul, fourth team fouls. Remaining time 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Oy. Traveling.
Traveling.
Ball for Balaring.
1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time. Shot clock 15.
Oo. Warning. Gano'n sila nga doon.
Wait light. Ano ka?
Gawid tayo kami. Kiss! Charot. Kiss!
Warning number 18 for Balareng and number 2 for Coffee Mots. Shot clock 10, 9. Remaining time 1 minute and 5 seconds. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining time.
6-13 sa gihapon ang score. Uy, tsapa. Rebound for Balaring.
50 seconds. 45 seconds remaining time. 30 seconds.
Basket.
35 seconds. Shot clock 15.
Wise.
Foul number 7. Pass second. Third personal foul. Fourth team fouls. Remaining time 28 seconds.
Puti sa lap. Sige, fire yun o.
Oo. Basket. And rebound for Balaring. Rebound for Coffee Mots. Ay, for Balaring, gali. Wala.
20 seconds.
Nice.
15 seconds remaining time. Foul number 38. Number 38, second personal foul.
Sa Remy Roldan, lipat ka sa peligro. Gapo. Pag-shout out. Salamat.
Number 38, first personal foul. 12 seconds. 10, 8,
Uy!
5,
Uy, short. End of first quarter.
and
Ang
the first
score.
quarter score 15-7 in favor of Copimots.
7:15 ang score for Copimots. End of our first quarter. No, bigyan sa nagsan. Nagyo.
One look. Yung mga episode or? Galing ko na
Ang pangan.
malapit.
Lain, tulog lang kung matulog. Yan, sakit sa ulo, sa sipon. First 5, second 5 na galit. Manong na nila. Puro silang banog basket, gid no? Torre Campo, tapos Miraflores. Miraflores, bakit ba na? Puro mga manog basket.
Shot clock 18.
Nag-umiting yung pass.
Ball for Copimots.
Shot clock 16 seconds. Number 8
Wow!
basket, good for 2.
May audience, may audience. Audience impact Copimots.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 12. Number 8 basket, good for 2.
Punch club.
Remaining time 9 minutes.
Wala tukod.
Shot clock 16. Foul number 7. First personal foul. First team foul.
Lagrimas, number 17 on the free throw line. Wala. Kulang sa ugot ang ano ay, ang ringan. Wala sa gihapon na rebound. Uy!
Foul basket. Foul number 7, second personal foul, second team foul.
Torre Campo, number 27. Basket, 3-point play. 10, pila na score?
Score 19-10 in favor of Copimots. Number 8 basket, good for 2.
Na naman.
Remaining
Ganda
time
kayo,
8 minutes and 30
Sana
seconds.
naman, oh.
Foul number 8. Number 8 first personal foul. Shot clock 14. Foul number 13. First personal foul, fourth team fouls. Remaining time 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
May budlay ba? R2's number 2 on the free throw line. Basket.
Score 21-12 in favor of Coffee Mots.
Kamera si Marok.
Shot clock 16. Foul number 7. Third personal foul, penalty.
Kopi mo, sa galing ano, nakaputi oh. Ano naman ba ni Roque?
Remaining time 8 minutes.
Karon katulad daw ba sige na lamok ka na da.
Basket. Basket again for Balaring. 14-21 ang score.
Shot clock 15. Number
Basket.
13, 3 points. Score 24-14 in favor of Coffee Mots. Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12. 10. 9. 8.
Basket.
Foul basket. Foul number 6. First personal foul.
Friday, blas sa buong galain, matsyag ko pa, hindi ko pagyawa ah. Papi na.
Jawa asa pre.
Score 24-16 in favor of Coffee Mots. Number 7 basket, good for 2.
Lo,
Remaining time 7 minutes.
mo ginang ginahambal.
Shot clock 15.
Uy, awas. Steal for Balaring. Basket.
Number 2 basket, good for 2. Remaining time 6 minutes and 35 seconds.
Correct na ako na mag-out ko. Jongi.
Number 13 basket, good for 2.
Jongi in the house.
Time out Balare.
Score. Ha? 28-18.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 15 seconds.
Twenty-eight, 18 para sa Coffee Mots.
Sa
Elite?
elite yung talaga.
Sino?
Islawa.
Dinsa? Dinsa?
Para nagampang sa
Dinsa? Dinsa?
Ay, di.
Uy! Ay,
Shot clock 12.
uy, yapon. Uy!
Shot clock
Sapa.
10.
Basket.
Number 17 basket,
Ari kami
good
sa
for
may
2.
Beldite pa ah.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Rebound for Balaring. Uy,
Number
basket.
27 basket, good for 2. Score 28-22 in favor of Coffee Mots.
Ano na lang?
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 12. 10. 9. 8.
Uy!
7. 6. Foul number 6. Second personal foul. Remaining time 5 minutes.
Love it. Short. Shout out madam kay Jao Haneo Bag-o. Labamid Jasya Subong hamot na Team Globe. Oh! Time.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 45 seconds.
4 minutes 45 Layo pa.
Score 28-22 in favor of Copimot.
Basket.
Number 8, basket, good for 2.
30-22.
Score 30-22 in favor of Copimot. Shot clock 13. Remaining time 4 minutes. Foul basket. Foul number 7.
24-30 ang score. Tabanse ang copy mo.
Number 7, fourth personal foul.
Basket, 3-point play for Artus. Three points. 33-25.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Basket.
Number 7, basket, good for 2. Time out, Copimot. 27-33 in favor of Copimot.
27-33, mabanses ang Copimots. Time out for Copimots. May lang holiday, subong sobra. Sa Davao, holiday sa Davao, subong. Tulog lang ako matulog.
Nakatulog lang.
Tulog. Nasa sakit sa ulo. Madam, mapaginalaran ka. Hindi ko kapaginalaran. Subong guys.
Shot clock 15.
Basket.
Number 13, 3 points.
Hindi ko kapaginalaran
Remaining
guys.
time 3 minutes.
Uy! Agaw! Ay!
Foul number 2. First personal foul. First team foul.
So good. Hindi na pag right?
Gani, do 5:30 man to schedule nila.
Tapos sinibigay ko ngayon. Dagana naman. May boss. Boss, champion ko. Hindi lang may basura. Bola.
Score 38-27.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Kalisagwa.
Shot clock 16.
Uy! Basket.
Number 7, basket, good for 2. Outside.
Sino ang number
Remaining
30?
time 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Betala. Sino ang number 33? Dali lang, wala ko kabalo. 33 or 23? Sister sa BFP? 23 guro, wala man na may gampang 33. May 33
Remaining
daw.
time 2 minutes.
Rosy 0, number 23. Crush mo, crush mo.
Shot clock 16.
Uy.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 12. Shot clock 12.
Basket.
Number 27, basket, good for 2. Remaining time 1 minute and 20 seconds. Remaining time 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Pwede ka madabla ka ng piga sa salog.
Wait, one
Shot clock 16.
May pushing.
Foul number 17. First, personal foul. Second, team foul. Shot clock 14 seconds. 1 minute remaining time.
Ay!
50 seconds.
Ayun siya gwa. Ang tao yan ang gwa.
48 seconds remaining time.
48 seconds on our second quarter. Tres. Wow. Luman, ano daw
Foul
matapos?
number 8.
Penalty na?
8 minutes ko lang pinalpay.
Ito, oh.
Tiping.
Remaining time 38 seconds.
Si Sir Guangco.
Tiping.
Kalaba ako nung ating mo, sir!
38 seconds remaining time.
Dami ko ginaran. Di lang sa kanya kaya.
Goni.
Tanda ka.
Paano naman? Di daw
Sa
siya
clock 18.
nagpapalsa, maskin duwa na kabilo.
30 seconds.
Mula na ba lang? Lo! Lo, wala ko ba?
15 seconds. 13 seconds remaining time.
Score
13
40-35.
seconds.
40-35 ang score. 40-35 for Copy Mods.
10, 8,
40-35.
35.
40-35.
35.
score 40-35 in favor of Copimox.
Table mo yung dati yan. Madua! Nice one! Nice one!
Basket!
8 seconds.
Apat na lang! Apat na lang!
5,
Paet! Time! End of our second quarter.
score 42-36 in favor of Copimox.
42-36 ang score for Copy Mods. Na-make sure ka na sa audience. 42-36.
Ha? Dapat dapat. Yeah, tinggal kita sorry babe. Pag mo iba, pag may grade yung dami. Shout out.
Sir, pala sa duwa. Shout out kay Ren. Wala sa pula sa duwa. Mapili lang ka mo eh. Or... shout out sila. Hindi na ito ginamon na ako. Sako lang nila. Duwa ay duwa. Okay. Pili sa duwa. Pila.
Sir, malayo. Hindi po kasalan po ah. Sir, sir.
Ano ka na? Buhay na ko ng wando. Miss, hindi ka mag-fly sa Ginalaran. Ari ko sa bowlers. Pasensya, guys. Third quarter! Wala pa man tapos sa akin. Dapat dason, ano, nakakompleto ng mga uniform. Dapat. Ma-ice burn ako ng yaki, like. Punggo na, sila sa ngupod niya.
Ano, hindi ba? Kasugod yung jury na. Kasi na, gano'n, nalakpa. Asawa.
Hindi mo one story yun.
Charis na.
Hindi mo one story yun.
Balik ka ng balik. Ano, kasi pinaplay mo. Ano may namin nga?
Si Anom naman na. Oo.
Shot clock 16. Number
Basket.
14, basket, good for 2. Shot clock 16.
Ball 4. Ay! Rebound for Balaring. Out of bounds.
Shot clock 16 seconds. Remaining time 9 minutes.
Short. Tres basket.
Number 21, 3 points.
Sila na?
Score 42-41 in favor of Coffee Mots.
41-42 na? Ang hindi na kuya tayo maibo.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 20 seconds.
Wala ko ito ganyan ma-review agabi.
Ako ito review kayo kami. Tayo ako sa review.
Ano pa quarter? Ano pa quarter man?
Third ko ba? Sec. Hindi sa resume to, di ba?
Remaining time 8 minutes and 5 seconds.
Basket.
And Nete basket, good for 2.
Dami ka po video yun, no?
Shot clock 16.
Uy! Basket.
Basket, good for 2. Score 44-43 in favor of Coffee Mots.
44-43, isa na lang.
Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12. And
Traveling.
remaining time 7 minutes and 20 seconds.
42-43 ang score. For Coffee Mots, isa na lang.
Number 8, basket, good for 2. Remaining time 7 minutes. Outside. Shot clock 18. Traveling.
Sumala. Isa to may campus.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Score 46-43 in favor of Coffee Mots. Shot clock 15. Remaining time 6 minutes and 10 seconds.
Loading gid
Shot clock
ah.
15.
Why
6
man
minutes
talo?
remaining time.
Basi sa internet mo lang na. Uy! Wait lang. Dan logaw. Awa basi balabas sa aw.
Number 11, basket, good for 2. Remaining time 5 minutes and 35 seconds.
Loading ko na akong live. 3 points!
Number 21, 3 points.
Ilang score?
Score 48-46 in favor of Copymots. Shot clock 16.
Okay man. Ang ba ko na loading? Basi siya internet, guro.
Remaining time 5 minutes.
Bas.
Nete basket, good for 2.
Sa imo, guro sir, ng internet, sir. Wala man okay.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10. 8. 6. Robin. Time out by Laring.
Ari kami sa PLDT
Score
Grandstand.
46-50 in favor of Copymots.
46-50 ang
Remaining time 4 minutes and 30 seconds.
ito.
Uy, ito galing nagmakali.
46-50 ang score for Copymots. Fairness na mo sa buong players ka bala rin. Yung sabi ko lang sila daan.
Kulang sa ito.
Isa tagpilang ko lang sila. Madam, hindi mag-apekto sa mga paway. Si Madam, mas damo kami bigay suporta. Thank you, Ged. Thank you so much.
Number 8, basket, good for 2. Remaining time 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Number 8, basket, good for 2. Remaining time 4 minutes.
Boy, kami may ampang beam bowlers, hindi ko kapag.
Foul number 17 is
That's
Pada.
why.
First personal foul.
Good evening, Dan. Kasubok man. Nasa live mo, Madam Siglar. Nasadya. Sorry. May bowlers ko bigay. Uy!
Basket, good for 2. Remaining time 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Score 54-48 in favor of Copymots.
Bas!
Number 8, basket, good for 2.
Pila score? 56-48. Nagdako na.
3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Basi makayo nga gawa karon sa ginarampak ka.
Shot clock 12.
Ay,
10,
paka.
9,
Hindi tapos sa maniguro ilagay.
7, 6, 5,
Uy, short.
3 minutes remaining time.
Bas!
Basket, good for 2. Remaining time 2 minutes and 45
Nagyan ko
seconds.
na na. Nagyan ko na na. Hindi na ko.
Time out, Kobe Mots.
Wala, winapicturan sa voice na
Yellow foul.
Dahil magiging ko sa place, hindi ba ito? Ano yung joke ko? Nakatanong ko. Ay, talaga sa
Foul
lamis.
number 8. Buenafe, first personal foul. Second team foul.
Tasig ba?
Remaining time 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
58-48 ang score for Coffee Mots.
Dahil may picturan doon, lako ng makapo.
Gane. Payugin mahingagaw. Pagbalikan ko na haboy na.
Kaduwayan pa
Free throw for Balay. May salsa.
Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12. And 9, 8, 7. Remaining time 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 10.
Foul.
Foul number 17.
Globe ka gano'n. Hello, sa Miguel, kaga ano? Magnubi.
Shot clock 10.
Grabe mo.
9, 8, 7, 6. Shot clock 10.
Globe and smart, bro.
Foul number 6. First personal foul. Fourth team fouls. Remaining time 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Ang garo-garo. Ang garo-garo.
Joke lang. Eh, ano ba? Di kong parami.
51.
Ali.
51, 58.
4, 58, 51.
Madam na, may
Pero
karumada.
Kobe Mots.
Gisugod naman sila.
Shot
Pag
clock
hindi,
16.
makatugabon ka kadto kaya may bowlers kami.
Shot clock 12. 10, 9. Espada basket, good for 2. 1 minute and 30
Bowlers,
seconds.
gid kuya be.
1 minute and 25 seconds remaining time.
Lai, gabi mo, gatulog, gatulog, board soup. O, ano mo na.
Ito na din ito mga ano. Harap lang mo, takalam na. Ito ko lang din, dito sa matapos.
Anong ano na gani? Doto.
1 minute and 10 seconds.
Ah, waspa.
1 minute. Espada basket, good for 2.
Shout out for family Maglik
55 seconds.
Maglikians
Foul
da sa
number 6,
PLDT.
Hinete.
Lang may balo na ako.
Second personal foul.
Malikian da sa PLDT from
Penalty.
Dash Piñas.
Ngayon ko na madam, dasig ko na.
Remaining time 55 seconds.
Ano na kan, ang...
Paaso.
Ang aso na ba sa yupon na? Yan sa puerta.
Huwag ka, pwede mo. Huwag gago.
Gag.
Siya to zero.
Panulay.
Nagkatudlo sa akon sa mga hindi amo.
Ramot tayo nila.
Sino to nagambal?
Buhay kami diya. Wala diya ko diya. Sport.
Na, may mata na yung sport. Hindi ka lagay
Sa show lang natin ha. May pinas siya sa show. Ano, Siya puti-puti.
Ako pa rin sa glass yan. Dami miyo yan. Time!
Remaining time 55 seconds.
55 na lang.
Parang lintad na yan.
Rebound. 4, copy mo.
And netted, basket, good for 2.
Nice pass for copy mo.
40 seconds. Shot clock 16.
Uy.
Foul basket. Foul number 8, Buenafe. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Wala yun.
Remaining time 30 seconds.
Inaway, ano?
Why kayo mag-uway ka, Paul?
Kung di magbukol, wala Paul yan.
Wala dislocate, wala pa.
Shot clock 12.
Buot lang gid na kayong dam, Grace. May gaaway pa. Baklan mo lang na mag-sort ng sili pa. Yan na.
20 seconds.
Kinawayan nyo pa.
15. 12. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2.
Time! End of our
And
third
the third
quarter.
quarter. Score 66-53 in favor of Copy Mots.
66-53 ang score for Copy Mots. Hoy, may bowlers ko, Bibo. Sunggod yung ko na sa ginalaran. May bowlers ko, be. May kontrata ko di abi sa bowlers. Bowlers, gig kuya.
Sure ba ako dito? Yes, 6 million.
May kontrata.
Boss, final?
Hindi ko na mabuyan ng bowlers. Bowlers, gig kuya. Nagsugod pa mitik daan. Pilid.
Itong GB na ka, ano sa akin?
Lo,
Diba, nakatutricks eh.
muna. Amo gina tricks basta ginulan. Amo gina basta ginulan tricks. Uy,
Why this tricks?
nagsungod ko na sa ginalaran, guys. Oo, sige. Diyan nagsungod ko.
Bungol, man.
Wala man kayo bowlers. Gani. Gusto po siya. Huwag kami memo. May bowlers yan yan.
Boss, may bullers mo yan.
May bowlers.
Ako may tando ay
Thursday hasta Sunday na daan.
Mamit, tayo kami sa tando.
Score 66-53 in favor of Copy Mots.
Manggang kalaula. Manggang kalaula. Ano? Bam!
Number 38, 3 points.
Ay, rebound for Copy Mots. Salamat agalisaton mga supporters na. Thank you so
Foul
much.
number 27.
Mayor Judith C.
First
Gallego,
personal foul,
Vice Mayor
first
Tom
team
Ledesma,
foul.
Councilor Noynoy Penuela, Councilor Mike Maravilla, Councilor Ryan Gamboa, na Otsoy's Bistro, Chick Boys Grill, Punong Gary's Place, The Yard, Pintok Arts, Gaston Tattoo, Silay Institute, Capremi Roldan of Barangay Balaring, and most especially to Sir Paolo Chonco of Team Paolo Chonco Organization. Thank you so much, kids, sir, mga sir, sa pag-support.
Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10.
Love ko ng ginalaran niya. May bowlers nang gid ko bigalin. Tama na nga hindi ko akad to. Hindi ko magpabarangay ginalaran. May bowlers. Pusin siya.
Remaining time 11 minutes. Outside.
Out of bounds. Gasugod naman to. Parang tapos na rin gani ko. No? Chat ko lang. Basta may bowlers gani, hindi ko kapag inalaran.
Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12.
Volleyball ba?
Number 4, basket, good for 2. Remaining time 10 minutes and 20 seconds.
Uy!
Number 11, 3 points.
Papataan eh, foul na.
Remaining time 10 minutes.
Basket.
Number 8, basket, good for 2.
2 points lang.
Shot clock 15.
Tres! Bam! Wala.
Number 8, basket, good for 2. Score 73-59 in favor of Coffee Mots.
There's a foul.
Foul number 8. Number 8, third personal foul. First team foul.
First team foul pa lang.
Shot clock 14 seconds.
Tres! Bam!
Number 18, 3 points. Score 73-62 in favor of Coffee Mots. Remaining time 9 minutes. Shot clock 14. Alvo, basket, good for 2.
Wala ko galing na format. Picture, tingnan ako daw 1,000 ang picture na bilhin ko. Tres basket! Tondo sa patreso na.
Time out, Coffee Mots.
Let's score.
Score 65-75 in favor of Coffee Mots. Remaining time 8 minutes and 45 seconds.
$65-75 ang score. Ano itong gambang sa buong si Bibi? Miyara to sila, manupitin. Sa ginalaran, sino to gani? Aging share ko man bala nagligad bala?
Gani namin ito
Shot clock 15. Sete basket, good for 2. Remaining time 8 minutes and 25 seconds.
Chance, sayang na.
Shot clock 15.
Basket.
Number 27, basket, good for 2. Remaining time 8 minutes and 10 seconds. Shot clock 16. 8 minutes remaining time.
Uy!
Number
Grabe!
11, basket, good for 2.
Believe ah. Oh, Rahman.
Paloma, basket, good for 2.
Handa siya, no? Tres, short.
Shot
Sapa.
clock,
Uy!
foul, basket. Sub. Foul number 11. First, personal foul. Second, team fouls.
79-71.
79. Tangang galay, kumanawag. Lutod na lang kay. Tatlo? Ah,
Shoot, daddy.
Foul number 12. First, personal foul. First, team foul.
basket.
Sub.
Chami. Daddy, Chami.
My tummy is the center of the bread. Ay, ano gani? My tummy, bilang.
Remaining time, 7 minutes.
Spicy hot dog is the center of the bread. Ay! Ah! La. Uy!
Number 2, basket, good for 2. Remaining time, 6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Basket!
Basket, good for 2. Shot clock 16.
Tres! Tapos.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 20 seconds.
Ball for Balari.
Foul basket. Foul number 11. Number 11, second personal foul. Third team foul.
76.
Score 83-76 in favor of Popimots. Remaining time 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Shot clock 15. Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7.
Dua sila ta.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Score 83-76 in favor of Popimots.
$83.76.
Paloma 3-point.
86-76 polo.
Remaining time 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Shot clock 14. Shot clock 10. 9.
Wala. Isa pa.
Remaining time 5 minutes. Shot clock 10. 9. Shot clock 14 seconds.
Sila lang gali isa. Wala pa subod dili.
Shot clock 14 seconds. Shot clock 12.
Nom ka mo tuod oh. Basket. Hindi pa ako kalib ah. Bay lang kay malib lang ko. Pero,
Remaining time 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7. Foul number 12. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
shout out nanda sa team Copy Mods from
Remaining time
Ezekiel
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Joey Nete on the free throw line. There. Basket. Hoy, war mo ko no.
Score 88-76 in favor of Kobe Mods. Remaining time 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Basket.
Number 27 basket, good for 2.
78-88 ang score.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 10 seconds.
Pulo.
Shot clock 15. Shot clock 12. Number 8 basket, good for 2. Remaining time 4 minutes.
Shout out kay Lester Haneo. Dali lang ganyan. Uy! There's a foul.
Foul
Shout
number
out sa mga
7,
anak ko
5
dyan.
fouls.
Sharon Toche kag Ian Chris Toche watching from Kuwait. Sorry. Ano to? Ato na din. Ito na. 5 fouls. Sino to? Number 7. Congratulations on your graduation.
Score 90-78 in favor of Kobe Mods.
Op!
Foul number 23. Number 23 first personal foul. Third
Dami
team
ako yung
foul.
kasasat ya.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12.
Out of bounds.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 35 seconds. Score 90-78 in favor of Kobe Mods.
Tres.
Shot clock 14. Remaining time 3 minutes and 20 seconds.
Good eve, madam. Hindi ka mag-live sa kinalaran subong. Hindi, kay may ballers ko. sorry.
Remaining time 3 minutes. Time out.
Balare.
Remaining time 3 minutes.
Sorry, gid may ballers. Kubi pasensya. Ginalaran. Kaya pa na 3 minutes pa.
Both teams isa na lang time out. Remaining time 3 minutes.
78-92. Madam puli, nasa kinalaran kay masugod na ang basket. Taga barangay 5 ko galing.
Shot clock 16 seconds.
Wala may ballers, B. Hindi ko magpaginalaran. Subong.
Shot clock 13 seconds.
Good evening, madam. Aban si Ang Coffee Mots. Good evening, madam. Naulat ka din.
Shot clock 11. 10.
Balik na di na kami galit ha. Hindi may bowlers ko.
Foul number 6. Penalty.
Hindi ko kapag inalaran yung may bowlers ko. Basket.
Number 6,
79.
third personal foul.
92. Short. Basket.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
80-92 ang
Score 92-80 in favor of Kopimut. Remaining time 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Shot clock 13. Shot clock 10. 9. Calvo basket good for 2. Remaining time 2 minutes and 20 seconds.
94-80.
Number 8 basket good for 2. 2 minutes and 5 seconds.
Bam! Wala. Rebound.
Shot clock 14.
So foul.
Foul number 2. Second personal foul penalty.
Sorry, Gid
Score
Barangay.
96-80 in favor of Kopimut.
Kapoy na, kapoy na.
Remaining time 1 minute and 55 seconds.
May bowlers ko ba guys? Pasensya, Gid. Hindi ko matunga akong lawas.
1 minute and 55 seconds.
Score 96-81. Look!
Hernila basket good for 2. 1 minute and 40 seconds
Time out,
remaining
time out.
time.
Time out.
Shot clock 16. Shot clock 12.
Time out, time out.
Time out Kopimut. Time out
Balare.
Balare.
Isala lang, isala lang.
Remaining time 1 minute
181.
and 15 seconds.
Shout out Kivski Artos B, madam. Shout out Kivski Artos. Nagalain naman ako matsyag ah. Yota niyo.
Kulang si Santa.
So, kapag din dyan, ilang mo.
Rick, kaya sa mga pamilya dyan.
Mga alas 10 na bugtaw na. Lagi sa tagit-tagit. Dora.
Wala may drop. Dora eh.
1 minute and 10 seconds remaining time. One minute.
102.
55 seconds. 50 seconds.
Next game, tagane. Ano? Globe versus
45
Super
seconds.
Metro. Talisay.
40 seconds.
3.
30 seconds.
Hoy!
20 seconds remaining time.
Rugay.
15. And final score 107-81 in favor of Coffee Mods.
107-81 for Coffee Mods. Congratulations! Ang best player of the game, number 8. Buena Fe. Congratulations, Coffee Mods. Next game. Ara na. Ara na. Next game. Ano ka next game? Globe versus Metro. Super Metro, Talisa. Thank you so much, Relav.